Hello everyone. This is the last part of this detailed architecture of DBMS, that is the data storage. We have started from topmost layer of this architecture, that is users, applications, query processor, storage manager and disk storage. We have also seen this query processor and storage manager is acting as a basic or working part of this DBMS. But without users, application and this disk storage, it is not working. So that's why these users, application and disk storage are also part of this DBMS architecture. And in this video, last component of this detailed architecture is disk storage, which is highlighted over here. This disk storage is having subcomponents like data, indices, data dictionary, statistical data. So these are the four components of this disk storage. So these four components are nothing but called as data structures, and these four components are implemented by storage manager. Storage manager, as we have seen, it is situated over the disk storage. So let us see one by one what is meant by data. Data is nothing but the information stored in database. Indices. So before telling meaning of indices, let me tell you first index. Index is the part of book. Everyone have seen this index part. So it is having serial number, content and page number. So we can easily access any content, any module or any chapter with the help of that page number, and we can directly jump to that page to access that module or chapter. So it helps to reduce searching time of that module. In the same way, in this disk storage, indices helps to access that data easily. Next one is data dictionary. Data dictionary is also like our real life dictionary, which is having number of words, synonyms, opposite words and their meaning. Data dictionary is related to database, so it is storing all about information of data, and that data is interrelated. So that data about data is called as a metadata. That's why this data dictionary helps to store metadata. And statistical data is the last subcomponent of this disk storage, which is collection of numerical data. So these are the four data structures which helps easily access our data from database. Thank you.